Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Kailia from Rise BC Wellness Center in Nelson, BC, and this is Anna Topf, the kinesiologist working at the clinic. Today we're going to show you a simple technique to use a rubber ball to treat Now we'll be doing some more ball rolling to the shoulder region, including the deltoid muscle, the biceps, and even the triceps muscle.
So you can use either a single ball or a double. I prefer the double. So we wedge it between yourself and the wall, okay? And again, we're starting with an up and down motion. So little squats, that's it. And from here, we can start, if your bicep is a little bit tighter, then you turn your body in, and a little up and down there. That's it. I find up and down motion in this area is more comfortable than across the fibers. That's it. And again, once you find a place that's particularly tight, you can pause there and then go explore another place. If you want to get more into the tricep, you turn the body and get into the posterior portion there of the deltoid as well.